Anyway, good day to each and everyone. And this occasion is not simply to give an awards or medals to our honorees, but the Department of Education would like to honor us, the guiding principles, the Filipino graduate, and this is the expected from our learners to become. And what is that? To be prepared to lead. Prepared to lead with confidence and character. Anong kareksip nyo? Expected to lead our nation someday. The question is, are you prepared with confidence and character? Santo Niño, senior high school learners, are you prepared? What's supposedly your answer? Yes, we are. Wow. Again, the students of Santo Niño Senior High School, are you prepared to lead with confidence and character?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Iyo. Sit me. And ask them, are you prepared to lead with confidence and character? Sabay-sabay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ask. Answer ka mo. Ano yung answer? Yes? That is question about individually. And the answer should be yes. Yes, I am very good. About to be literacy sa ating palasa natin. So, meaning, what matter most here is about your character. And that is the advocacy of DepEd to produce a high quality learners with confidence and positive character. Not positive character ito niya. Kasi someday dapat the person with confidence and character kamo dapat ang magiging susunod na mga senador, magiging congressman, mag-open mga karakter, ang magiging cabinet secretary of the Philippines. We cannot deny the fact what is happening in our country. Kaya, DepEd, that is the expectation. And we are proud that we have 79 with honors and 43 with high honors, a total of 122 honors. Plus, may mga special awards pa ito na ira. So the academic excellence and achievement that you're going to receive today is the reflection of your good character, being hardworking, perseverance, dedication. So without that, you cannot achieve, you cannot survive. Kunwaray yun, especially those learners who are not 100% full-time student. Kaya kasi complicated ang status. Ano mga learners na talaga full-time? Parents. At doon na sila, anak, aadanan, nakaluto na akong pagkaon, kaon na lang. Full-time student. Ang tatay na sila, anak, ano ko na ikaw? Pero pagkaligo na lang, nasa rin kanyaya, inlawa ko na ikaw. Papunta sa nala. Those were the full-time student. Kasi ang iba, complicated. Ano sila complicated? Damo itong mga facing different challenges and adverse difficulties. Based in your research, medyo nila breadwinner, coming from broken family, usalan parents, or parent. So, di lang rumamay to survive. Madaliwan, hindi mo na love life, siyempre naman career versus love life sometimes. Pareho man lang yan, why make it simultaneously, di ba? Makuha kaya nagpwede na din yung mga anak, mga anak, may asawa. So, before going to school, kakariguhan, papakaulon, papasusunod, sugad kauri. Madaliwag, because of the influence of mga barkada, masisina, okay, hindi kami yan. We do not tolerate those learners na smoke. At doon, clear no. Kasi, makuha ang responsibility as students, tutulang pag yung mga vices. So, and now, you may realize that we are right and to put you in a right path of way, going to higher education. And we believe that you are ready now for college education. Thankful and heartfelt gratitude to all of you for our first recognition rides right here in Santo Niño Senior High School. Good day and God bless us all.